Hey everyone, are you ready to take a magical journey into the world of natural remedies? Today, we're diving deep into castor oil, a true multitasking marvel that might just change your life, especially if you use it before bedtime. Buckle up, because in this video, I'm going to show you how castor oil can work wonders for everything from your digestion to your skin, healing wounds, even cleaning dentures, and yes, even helping you sleep like a baby. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for more fun, science-backed health tips. The laxative effect, your gut superhero. All right, let's kick things off with the castor oil laxative effect. Think of it as a gentle push when your digestive system needs a little extra help. Imagine you're battling constipation, that pesky villain causing discomfort. Now, picture castor oil swooping in like a caped crusader, stimulating your intestines to get things moving. Just remember, as with any superhero, moderation is key. You wouldn't want Spider-Man accidentally turning your living room upside down, right? A small amount does the trick, especially when paired with a balanced diet and plenty of water. Moisturizer magic, quench your skin's thirst. Next up, let's talk about how castor oil works as a natural moisturizer. Ever feel like your skin is as dry as a desert? Castor oil is like a personal hydration station. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that locks in moisture and keeps your skin soft, supple, and glowing. It's all natural, chemical-free goodness that won't break the bank, giving your skin a mini vacation from harsh synthetic products. And hey, before you slather it on, always do a quick patch test to make sure your skin loves it as much as you do. The wound healer, nature's Band-Aid. Now picture this. You're in the kitchen and oops, a little nick happens. Don't panic. A dab of castor oil can act like a caring nurse for your skin. It creates a moist environment that prevents scabs from forming too early, helping your wound heal faster and reducing inflammation. Plus, with its natural antimicrobial properties, it keeps harmful bacteria at bay. Just clean the wound, apply a small amount with a clean cloth, and let castor oil do its magic. The Denture cleaner, a surprising sidekick. Here's one you might not expect. Castor oil can even help keep your dentures in tip-top shape. Thanks to its antibacterial powers, it cleans and protects your dentures like a personal hygiene assistant, extending their life and keeping them sparkling clean. Just remember, it's a great supplement to your regular dental routine, not a replacement. Always check in with your dentist before you change up your cleaning habits. The sleep inducer, drift off into dreamland, and saving the best for last. Did you know castor oil might help you sleep better? It sounds a bit out there, but a tiny dab on your eyelids before bed can help relax your body and signal that it's time to wind down. If the idea of oil on your eyelids freaks you out, try mixing it with a few drops of a calming essential oil like lavender or chamomile and gently massaging it onto your temples. Either way, it's like a gentle whisper to your brain saying, hey, it's time for some quality sleep. Closing and call to action. So there you have it, folks. Castor oil isn't just an oil. It's a natural, multitasking marvel that can boost your digestive health, hydrate your skin, speed up wound healing, even help sort out your denture care and get you a better night's sleep. Of course, it's not a replacement for professional advice, but for minor issues, it might be just what you need. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the wonders of castor oil, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Let me know in the comments which benefit of castor oil surprised you the most. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.